Good morning. We are fencing today. 2 panels. Just dug that all out, as you've seen. I've cut it short because frigging hardest dig ever. You know when you just got a little job, smash them 2 in. Old posts. So we're going butt up to this post. This is a timber slotted post. Pointless. Just rot at bottom. They're just crap. Anyway, we have to go butt up to that post because we've taken 3 posts or something off of this side, so it won't fit back together. So we're keeping that in on the, not hope, but they're going to extend the fence at some time. They're only doing these 2 panels for the minute. They're going to extend the fence at some point, so then we will take that out and then keep that. But as long as it fits against the wall, we're absolutely fine. But yeah, we've got, I'm out of breath, don't know why. We've got feather edge, 6 foot by 6 foot, 1 foot gravel board, and then we're facing it the other way. We're giving them the fence, if you like, because on this side we are going to be doing horizontal lats across. So you've got like a £60 panel like that with a good side pointing in. Waste of a panel, waste of time. So we're giving them the fence because these are going to have lats on this side. But yeah, looks like Tom's having a wee. He's not. But yeah, fencing today, then give it an hour for it all to go off, and then we're going to pull this area up here, hardcore sleepers on this face, and then it should all start looking. I mean, customers are already like, bloody hell, it looks massive and it looks different to what it was the other day. But now it starts going in now, doesn't it? It looks totally different again. But yeah, I'll go help Tom put this post in. If you put this fence up to level, so it's like let's just push this way. Yeah, that's fine. Put it both side to side. Push it in a bit. All right, Shag. Good morning. Oh, God, he come up and did it. Alright, Shag. Haven't planned. Quite a sweet world, quite a bit. That other lad would be effing and jeffing, wouldn't he? Always laid off loads. Yeah, just push bottom up.
Just gives her a ring on his brother, don't send.
Never sacked his brother. Yeah, that bit out. I'd do it as you're doing it. There's some holes in here, isn't there? I always get powder and I don't want one. I want like just a pizza or something. I always got a restaurant like I need to be full. Yeah. Like sometimes when we get a Chinese, we just get like sweet and sour sauce, chicken fried rice, spring rolls, you know, big spring rolls.
Yeah.
Salt and pepper chips. That's enough.
Yeah.
You're not going whoa full there.
How did you get on there?
You know me. Skip rat. No, because you're going to sort it out at your side.
I was just getting beaten up in our husband.
So that is it. We have added an extra post underneath, so that's a 300 step. Now tomorrow we are hardcoring this up, topping this up with hardcore because it needs quite a lot still in it. But what we've got is, for future reference, we've got the fall from that gate, well, the fall from here to that gate down there. It's actually going uphill, but the drive's mounded, so weird. The drive's mounded, but then the path comes back down this way. But because future reference, we're having porcelain, it needs to obviously fall or be level that way and then fall towards this leave a gravel strip, drain down there, whatever. So we're going to pick that level up over there, which is only another 70 mil, I think. See it fly there. It's only another 70 mil. So yeah, just hardcoring tomorrow. But while I'm going for hardcore, them two, because we're back to 3 tomorrow, them two can do all this, start putting sleepers down here. And this needs breaking out as well. So I'll just bits and bats. But yeah, for a Friday, end of week tomorrow, Friday, looking good. Taking loads of shape. It's amazing. You rip out with a digger. And there's an old boy who I used to work with, and he still does it by hand. And you're like, just get a digger in, man. It's like, I'm not paying them. But you're paying for that digger, but it's doing job 3 times faster. You know what I mean? It's weird. So yes, that is it for today. The hardest dig in the world for them two, and a sleeper. That's how I've managed. But it's 3:15. There's no point going for hardcore, so we're going to call it a day. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning, 8 o'clock sharp.